They work with some brands like Dell. You can add a custom domain if you want for your bio page. After you have signed up with Campsite, you can choose a free plan or a pro plan. Free plan is $0 and pro plan is $7 a month and $70 a year. There are some differences. Let's compare these two plans. Unlimited links is supported in both. QR code is supported in both. Campsite profile. You can only have one campsite profile in free version. Divider is supported in both. Email sign up is not supported in free profile. A schedule link is not supported in free plan. Google Ads, Google Analytics is supported in pro plan. There are lots of differences. You can browse them and compare them by yourself and see your needs and decide to choose which plan. I want to log into my account. After I have logged into my account, there are some sections such as my account, details of your accounts, your plan, your username, your name, your email address, if you want to change your plan to pro, you can do it here. You can also change your plan by click on Go Pro 2. This is your account. Here you can add your links, change your themes and change settings. Here I want to add some links. Title, form, feed, email sign up is locked. You can add only divider, embedded and some email in free plan. Let's add our first link. I wanna choose a title for my link. Enter my link address. You can add an image or thumbnail for your link. If you wanna upload it from your computer or custom media, it's not available in free plan. Here you can delete your link, you can add emoji for your link title. It doesn't have any emoji for website, so I leave it blank. Here you can pin your link that it can be at the top of your page until you unpin it. You can schedule a link that is available for pro version, and link clicks that you can see your analytics. You can hide or unhide a link. It can be shown to people or not shown. You can add another link by click on this plus button or add a link at top right. I wanna add another link, and this link is for donation or support me, like buy me a coffee, Patreon. You can put your links in different orders by dragging these 3 horizontal lines and change their orders. You can also add a divider between your links to separate your links if they are different links. You can also add an embedded video on Twitch, YouTube, Spotify, or you can add an embedded music. I want to add one of my YouTube videos here. I copy the link and paste the link here. Finish setup, hide it or unhide it if you want. Here you can remove the background of your video. It changed? No, I don't think it changed. It's still the same. Now let's go to appearance and change our colors and button styles. Background color. I wanna add my profile picture. These are some hints that you can read. Add your logo or your business logo or your business store logo here. It's uploading and it's finished. Our profile picture is updated. Pick your name here or your username. Add a description for your page. Tell people your story. Tell people what you do. You can also add an emoji for your name or your username. You can hide your profile name, hide title of the links, and if you want to hide campsite logo, you have to be a pro version user and upgrade your account to pro plan. Let's take a look at some colors and see what happens to our page. You can create a custom background if you want. These are button styles that they can have an icon. It can be rounded or a square. Social media accounts, you can choose between top or bottom of your page. Let's add some of social media accounts. Changing the order of social media accounts, put them at the bottom or put them at the top of your page. Let's go to settings. You can connect your Google account or Instagram account to your campsite account. You can also embed your campsite profile in your website by copy the HTML code here and paste it in your website. You should first enter your website domain. And copy this HTML code and paste it in your website. You can get more information here. It tells you what to do to embed your campsite profile in your website. Here there are URLs for a subdomain and custom domain. You need to be a pro version user. This is the link that you can get your free plan. You can copy it. And this is your Facebook review if you put it in Facebook. And if you have several profiles, here you can choose or switch. Here you can switch to each one you want. This is all about campsite.